So this is what the saw does when you have the light off and you have it on the slowest speeds. Anything under 3, it works fine. However, once you turn this light on, you'll see what happens. So first I'm going to turn it on with no light, and you'll hear it run normally, and then you'll see what happens when I turn the light on. It starts speeding up and slowing down. It's almost like the trigger, there's some kind of a voltage problem through the variable trigger, and the trigger is I'm velcroing it all the way down. So here we go. Okay, so this saw is running at speed 1, the slowest speed. This is where the problem with the work. So I'll bump it up just a little bit so we take this out of the equation. So as you can see, the saw is running smooth. There's no noises, nothing. Once I turn the light on, there we go. And it seems it's random. Okay, I'm doing it now. There it is, one more. So same speed, everything's the same. Now I'm going to turn the light off. You hear it, right? Now the light goes off. Now it will be a steady sound and a steady speed. I'll turn the light on. There we go. So it's most noticeable if speed's lower than 3. It does it at speed 2. There goes one. 2. I'm going to turn it off. And I will not do that. So I don't know. I'm not sure if it has anything to do with the, it's probably something to do with the wiring. I don't think it's the actual switch, the variable switch, because then it would be doing it even if the light was off. So, I don't know. I might have to return this one and try a different one.